just creating a really quick video for you, walking you through ideal workflow with regards to the Chrome extension, just ensuring that you get the most out of the trial access you have for the remainder of the week. So look, my exact workflow and a lot of our customers' workflow with regards to the Chrome extension is really quite simple, to be honest. So yeah, homepage of the organization's LinkedIn Sales Navigator, straight to decision makers. Pop open the Cognism Chrome extension, you'll see we have some really handy filters across the top. So out of the first 25 decision makers at Cranfield University, Cognism has 8 mobile numbers, 10 direct dials, and 13 email addresses. So if I just focus on the mobiles for now, let's select all 8 of the people that have mobiles, and let's export them straight into HubSpot. Okay, really, really simple. Same again for mobiles, for direct dials, sorry. Again, select all 10, undo the 8 mobiles, and let's export straight into HubSpot. Now, another thing that you can do with the Chrome extension is you can diamond verify a contact. So in this case, David Meadows, Marketing Director, Cognism have a mobile for, but it's not verified. The way to get this verified is really simple. Simply click Diamond Verify. That will instruct our human research team to reach out to David, try and confirm that this is his number, and we'll look to do that within 2 business days. You can check up on the status of the Diamonds on Demand request in the main web platform, which I'll get to in the second video. But look, as you can see, when we've clicked into the actual individual profile, things have changed a little bit. So we have a 2-way sync with HubSpot. So if David's already in your HubSpot, you'll see him here as a contact and be able to click through. If Cranfield University is an account in your HubSpot, again, this will be a clickable link as it is here, and you'll be able to click through to this. Just understanding, any current activity that might be going on with the account. There's also some company level information, which you can see there, and then some intent, which is feeding through into into the Chrome extension. If you are an SDR, if you're an outbound rep, if you're an AE, if you're just on the front line of sales, so to speak, the Chrome extension, in my opinion, is going to be a better workflow for you. Why? Because you spend, a large portion of your day, if you're like me, on LinkedIn. Whether that be looking at news, whether that be prospecting new organizations, whether that be, prospecting new organizations, that's where you're going to spend a lot of your time. And that Chrome extension is going to be an absolute goldmine for you. The main web-based platform is for, perhaps Chris, perhaps Hugo, pulling off lists of ideal contacts, distribute them out to the team, looking at the intent side of things. Marketing might be involved on the main web-based platform, but look, some people prefer the platform. So look, going to quickly, as I mentioned, run you through a demo here. We run 2 workflows, account-based and persona-based. Account-based is really simple. You can either upload a list of universities, for your example, via a CSV file, company name or domain. And what we'll do with that is we'll map it to our data, and we'll be able to provide you with all the contacts at those universities. So going to use the same university I did in the previous video because it's a Monday and I'm not feeling very imaginative and I can't spell, but Cranfield University, let's take a look at the data that we have for them. There are 3,876 contacts. Right, don't want to speak to that many, so how many are in marketing? Brilliant, there are 82. Okay, I'm in a mood to get on the phone. How many of them have a mobile or a direct dial? So 24 of the 82 marketing contacts Cognism has at Cranfield have a mobile. Workflow for putting this in your CRM or downloading it in your case as a CSV for the trial. Again, really, really simple. Save that to a list. Call it Cranfield Marketing Mobile. Save. Oh, come on. Cranfield Marketing. Okay, save. Okay, all we're doing now when we've saved that to a list is we're just pushing it through validation processes, making sure the data is fresh and accurate. While I'm on the fresh and accurate line, that diamond verification button I touched on in the previous video also sits on the main web-based platform as well. So Emma Martin is already a diamond mobile. which is great. That means we've reached out to Emma already. We've confirmed this is her number, and it's now a diamond record. How you request a diamond record on the platform is simple. The button sits here. Okay. You can check up on any kind of diamond requests in the platform under data reporting, diamond data, and then, yeah, use the filters to help quickly identify those diamond verifications. So, yeah, you can see diamond verified here, or unfortunately unable to improve, or unable to get hold of, essentially. Yeah, you will receive an email. I'm not sure whether you will on the trial, but yeah, as if you are a customer, you will receive an email of any successful diamond requests. Obviously, the second way of kind of moving through the platform would be to create a persona. So the first was an account-based approach looking specifically at Cranfield University. This would be very persona-led. So looking to speak with marketing people with a location in the UK, based in the higher education system industry. Sorry. Okay, that's 8,928. CMO at Code Clan, Northumbria University CMO, mobile direct office. Again, there's that diamond button, guys. Yeah, Chief Marketing and Communications Officer at the London Business School. Again, that's already a diamond record. Mobile direct office. And again, if you wanted to start putting these people into a list, you would have to do that a page at a time, but really, really simple. Save to a list, call it what you want. Unselect that, go to the second page. Again, select those 25, save them to a list, save them to the same list you did on the first page, and you're then creating a daily prospecting list for yourself. Okay. Now let's take a look at the list we looked at earlier. Cranfield Marketing. You can use the filters on the left to understand, a bit more about the data before you export it. But from here, for the trial, you're going to have to download as a CSV. But as you can see, there is that export to HubSpot button there for you to use as well. Okay. Now, look, I included a kind of a spreadsheet on all of those emails that I sent over to you the other day with your login details that had Bombora's intent topics in it. When you click on this intent tab, you'll be asked to choose 5 topics. I recommend looking at the spreadsheet attached to the email before choosing those topics because we can't change them for the trial. Sorry. Okay, so let's take a look at intent. Before I do, I want to make sure that I'm looking at higher education organizations with a HQ in the United Kingdom. Okay, the reason for that is because when I jump into intent, you'll notice now that these filters have pulled across. So all of the results that would be showing now are related to what's important to us, the higher education industry for UK businesses. Now, intent data. If you don't know what intent data is, it's amazing. Essentially, what it will do is it will provide you with a list of organizations that are currently in the market for your products or services. Bombora track over 10,000 topics that are going to be relevant to you and help you pick key accounts that are currently hot so that you can reach out at the right time and hopefully see a lot more success. Just going to throw a few random topics in here based off the stuff that I saw on your website. So analytics is going to be something that you guys can help with, I hope. I don't know where to put it in. Let's put data analytics, I suppose. Advertising, something that you can probably help with. What else? Content stuff, maybe? Yeah, let's just say content governance. And we've got 11 organizations here, 11 higher education institutions showing intent for one of the topics that we've selected. Okay, now where Bombora gets really cool, really smart, is they attribute an organization with a surge score depending on the level of intent that that organization is showing. The lower the intent, the lower the surge score. So what Bombora tells us is between 60 and 70. They're very likely, in the research phase, still kind of dipping their toe in the market, but we should still probably reach out at this point, maybe put some kind of low touch email campaign together with marketing, some PPC, so that when they move in the buying window, to these guys here, the 70 to 80, these 3, they're coming inbound. We've done the hard work before. They know about us already. Or we can, look at West Herts College and University of Northampton because they're 80 plus. That means they're likely in the buying window, and we need to use Cognism Prospector to reach out to these organizations. When you do, you'll see that we've pulled across the topics. Let's say, okay, marketing. So there are 421 marketing contacts at the 11 organizations showing intent for the topics that we've selected. And how you use this in combination with the diamond verification process is really, really smart. Melissa Noricum is a key contact for us. She's working at a university that's showing intent for one of the topics we've selected, and Cognism have a mobile number. Let's get that verified, because that process, that workflow is key. We know the institutions in the market. We know she's a key contact. We know Cognism have a mobile. Let's wait for them, and hopefully I'll get them to verify it. That's how you're going to use the main platform to its full extent. If you've got any questions, guys, please let me know. More than happy to jump on calls. Sorry this is a bit long, as you can hear from the northwest of England, and we love to chat. But please reach out. Really keen to make sure this is a success, of course. And yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. Have a great week. Thank you.